Supreme Court has granted bail to Lt Col Prasad Shrikant Purohit in the 2008 Malegaon blast case. I have with me Mr. Majid Memon joining us on the phone line. Mr. Majid Memon, a big relief to Colonel Purohit's family. He has been granted bail despite him languishing in the jail for 9 years.
Well, it certainly reflects a very poor criminal justice system, because the question that arises, to a fair mind is that if Shri Purohit is not involved in any crime, if he is innocent, then why was he kept in custody for so long, that is 9 years? And if he is involved in the crime, the seriousness of the crime and other factors may probably disentitle him bail, because it's punishable with death or imprisonment for life, and it's a case of act of terror. In either case, we have no answer. In either case, today's situation would mean that in all, it is a case of miscarriage of justice.
Also, I mean, after 9 years, he has been granted bail, but Supreme Court has laid down certain conditions which will be given out in the detail soon.
No, but those conditions are natural, because, whenever in serious offences, if the courts are constrained to release a person only because of the longevity of his stay as an under trial prisoner, then certainly various conditions are imposed upon him, considering the seriousness of the crime, because he should not flee, he should not tamper with evidence. But in this case, one does not know whether there is enough evidence, whether there is evidence or whether there is no evidence. The different versions are forthcoming. ATS is speaking something else, NIA is speaking something else. NIA is on the last hour of objecting to bail. At the same time, is not in a position to produce any evidence or file any charge sheet for so long a period as 9 years. This is nothing but travesty of justice.